another Toy Box Treasures unboxing video. Okay guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Learning Resources Coding Critters cat. Yeah, okay. And we'll bring you back when we open it. So we're back. We got the stuff out of the box. Now we just have to take everything out of the bag. Hey guys, I have the cat and I'm gonna try to unscrew the cat to put the batteries in. Hey, we're back. Carly unscrewed it because I couldn't. Okay. Now we're gonna put in the batteries to the cat. Okay guys, I'm putting in the last battery and let's see if it works. It works! Alright. Now let's begin coding. So we're gonna try to get the cat to go with a ball of yarn. Is that what it says first in the book? Okay. Oh wait, that's not right. Okay, we can cut that. Where's she moving? Okay. I'm gonna do straight the ball of yarn here. It took the. Oh. Wait, is it like taking? Does it actually like? I don't know. It doesn't matter. That was weird. Wait, it's magnetic. We should. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. We should try that again. Wait, I want to try this one. Okay. Oh no! She missed it. Let's do a complicated trick, like add some curves in here. Let's move this over so that way. So we're gonna do two straights, a turn, then we're gonna continue going this way. Wait, would that be straight? I might have messed up. This one is back. Oh, I messed up like 30 times. This is what we have. I'm gonna try. Straight. It went off track. Can I try? Oh, she fell off the table. Press play mode and press the right turn arrow to make Scramper dance. I don't know if you would call that dancing. Okay, I'm gonna try. This is hard because it doesn't have like a track or anything. I'm gonna say turn. I'm gonna say maybe like right. Oh, you can't see it. I'm gonna say maybe like right there. Would be. Oh. Now I'm gonna give Carly a try. I have no clue how to do this, but I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna say. I didn't get it. This is a pretty fun toy. The ball is actually magnetic. Oh, it's slightly magnetic. The little cat I think is just there for fun. It says in the book that you can try to make it go like the same time as Scramper to make them like connect. I mean, actually, there is something to do. Oh wait, we probably should have put it like in like. What did I do? instead of making the cat find the yarn, you can make it find the cat.
That was a fail. Gosh, she's doing a dance party.
Ooh, she got the yarn!
Should we try one more dance party?
Yes.
I like the songs. I just want to We're gonna try maybe just like straight like that.
Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna.
There she goes.
We're gonna give her a turn.
Okay, so let's begin. So what we're gonna do is Yay!
Yay! You know what that calls for? I think we know what this calls for.
A dance party!
Do one last dance before we go. Okay, guys. So this will be the end of today's video.
But first, before we do end it, we have to clean up.
Alright, this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching.
We really hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye!